Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by targeting the exact parameter you want to control. Choose volume, filter cutoff, or a plugin knob. Once selected, right-click and choose Create Automation Clip so the clip appears in the playlist. Make sure to set your grid, pick 1/4, 1/8, or turn Snap Off for freehand shaping. This gets you into action immediately. You don't need extra setup. As soon as the clip exists, name it clearly and zoom to a comfortable view so your edits are precise and repeatable. Once the clip is visible, add automation points with left-click and drag them to set exact values. You're sculpting parameter movement over time. Make sure to right-click any point to change its tension or convert it to hold or single curve. That's how you control slopes versus abrupt changes. Use the curve tools to smooth transitions or create stepped modulation for rhythmic effects. As you refine, play the section repeatedly so you hear how shapes affect sound, and adjust spacing for musical timing and dynamics. To finish, duplicate or move automation clips to other song sections and link clips to multiple targets if you need unified control. This saves time. Once arranged, use clip gain or fine-tune points so transitions sit in the mix. If you don't hear changes, check routing. Ensure the plugin or mixer track is focused and the automation clip is active, not muted. Also confirm you're automating the correct parameter instance. If values jump, adjust point tension or remove conflicting envelopes and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.